Today we're taking my grandma to Island Beach and we have to take that little ferry. We are leaving from Greenwich, Connecticut, and I don't know how long is the ride in that ferry. It's my first time going in there, but we have our picnic set up. My grandma is over there waiting with my little cousins, and my other cousin is parking the car right now. So keep watching my video until the end if you want to see this beautiful island beach where we go in today. So if you guys decide to take the ferry and go to Island Beach, each day pass for the beach is $9. Then to take the ferry is $13. That's for adults. For kids, it's like $5. And my grandma and my grandma's friend, they're seniors, so they don't have to pay for it. Great Capitan Island is an island off the coast of Greenwich, Connecticut, also known as Island Beach. So far, I'm loving this ride. Even though it's summertime, it feels so nice, the weather. And the best part is that it's not crowded at all. I have the feeling that this beach is going to be very relaxing. My grandma is going to love it. My grandma is not up here because it's very hard for her to go upstairs, so she's downstairs with my cousins. But I have to come up here and see the view from up here. The island has preserved in its natural state with many different species of birds visible across the lagoon in June and July. The town operates a ferry service to and from the island from about the second week in June through the second week of September. There was another person on the little ferry that we took. He's 100 years old and he goes out by himself. That was so impressive. My grandma is turning 99 in just a few days, and she's a very lucid, like she remembers everybody's names, everybody's husband's names, where everyone lives, because we all live like in different places in the world. And it's just so impressive. And every night she counts from 1 to 100. She does all the prayers, and it's just to make her brain works. Those are her exercises for her mind. Trails have been laid out for visitors, and the western part of the island has picnic tables, grills, restrooms, and posted swimming areas. Abuelita, bueno, aquí ya mi abuelita está toda sentadita, listica. ¿Dónde está el vinito, abuela? A ver, su vinito rosé.
Para que compartamos desde acá.
A ver, abuelita. ¡Salud! Este es el picnic que hizo mi prima. Esta salsita que hace mi prima está espectacular. Hello, chicas. Hola, Sofía. Hola, abuela. Día de playa. Great Capitan Island is at 17 acres, the largest of the 3 island group, located about a mile offshore from Greenwich, Connecticut. The other 2 islands are Little Capitan and Wee Capitan. Since this is my first time here, I am going to walk around and explore while my grandma and my family are still sitting, snacking, drinking rosé wine over there. This area is so beautiful, so peaceful. Oh my god, the sand is so hot. I don't have flip-flops. So, on this side, you have like a little tiny restaurant where you can have hot dogs, snacks, water, Coke. Over here you have the lifeguard. According to the local legend, the names of the islands are connected with a treasure of gold and silver, buried there by the famous pirate Captain. That's it. That's this little island, and right here we have the bathrooms and the showers. It's a very, very small, private, cute island where you can come and really relax. It's so quiet, so peaceful. And I noticed something. No one has a speaker on. Everyone is enjoying the nature. I guess I'm the only one disturbing the peace. But I'm not. I'm very quiet. I'm just recording. I'm not yelling or screaming. Mi abuelita se trajo el costurero y ella está aquí reparando el canasto del Chocó. El canasto, ¿qué más está arreglando, abuelita?
Que se le ha reventado todas las costuras.
El carterón de Chena. Si ven, mi abuelita sabe cómo relajarse. Ella ya se tomó su rosé, se comió su snack y ahora hacer lo suyo, vean. We're gonna go inside the water. It's probably very, very cold, just like the ocean in California. Oh my God! Sofía, ¿no te estás quemando los pies? Okay, going inside the water wasn't as fun as I thought. It was nice, it wasn't that cold, but it's very rocky. So big tip, if you end up coming to Island Beach, make sure you have some shoes, some sneakers, some water shoes or something, because it's very rocky. And also, the mosquitoes here are very hungry. Usually I don't get bit by mosquitoes, not even in the Amazons. I have to wear their mosquito spray here. I'm full of it and I still feel them like all over me, all over my body. Ah! Of my video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification button so you don't miss any of my traveling adventures. I see you next Sunday. Ciao, ciao.